Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 36 of our challenge, Create an Instagram Name Tag. In this challenge, you'll learn how to create and use this Instagram name tag. Before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. All right, so an Instagram name tag is a way to quickly follow people you've met in real life or have them follow you. The feature works by showing your username on your phone in a format that allows it to be scanned by your soon-to-be follower. So I have my example of it pulled up right here. And this tag can also be customized with additional designs, colors, stickers, so we'll look at some of that shortly. I wanted to have you guys see what the name tag looks like, and now I'm going to show you how to go actually make it. Okay, so I'm in my profile, and then up in the top right, you're going to click those three bars again, and I'm guessing you've found it already. You're going to tap that little button that says name tag, and it will pull up your name tag right there. So from here, you can kind of play around with the different settings. So you can see it says color at the top. I can tap that and change it to emojis. It will let me do a selfie. So you can kind of cycle through those. And then if you hit scan a name tag, you'll see you can pull that same thing up and it will open your camera and you'll be able to scan the name tag that somebody has opened for you to take a peek at. So let's go back into name tag there. You can see let me do that one more time. So I'm on the emoji screen, I'm just tapping the background, and you can see all the different emojis come up. And you can actually search. So we know my logo is a light bulb, so maybe I want the light bulbs to be the background of my name tag. So I'm just going to do that. And then I can also, in the top right, click the little send button, and I can send it to anybody or open up my texting or my email or anything like that. Okay. You can also take a screenshot if you want to and save it into your camera roll. But that's it. Today's challenge is pretty simple. Go in, make your name tag, customize it, and have it at the ready for when you are wanting to share it with people. So I saved that to my screenshot. I'm just going into my camera. I'm going to go into my photos here, and you'll see there is the screenshot I took. I want to go ahead and edit that. I'm just going to crop it down a little bit to get rid of the top and the bottom here, and hit done. Now, you could just send this to yourself directly and not have to deal with the cropping or anything. I just wanted to show you how to do that if you did take a screenshot of it, and you could send this to anybody, or just pull it up on your phone and have somebody else scan it, and it will take them right to your account. So go ahead and tell me in the comments what background you ended up using for your name tag, and that will conclude our training for the day. So remember to come back and join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. for our next challenge. I'll see you then.